I went out in the rain, blankets on the beach. We're converting it. You're the first face that I saw. Think it was blind before I met you. Don't know where I am, don't know where I've been, but I know where I want to go. So I thought I'd let you know. But these things take forever, I especially am slow. But I realized that I need you, and I wondered if I could come home. Remember the time you drove all night just to meet me in the morning, and you thought it was strange that everything changed. You felt as if you just woke up. Said, this is the first day of my life that I didn't die before I met you. Now I don't even care, I can go anywhere with you, and I'd probably be happy. But if you wanna be with these things, there's no telling, you've just got to wait and see. But I'd rather be working for a paycheck than waiting to win the lottery. Besides, maybe this time is different. I mean, I really think you like me.